Hey guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Uh, my name is Edi Kurniawan Siregar. I am student at the Padang State University. My major is automotive engineering. Okay guys, at this moment I will explain about the electrical system of the cars. Okay. Your car's electrical system consists of the battery, starters, and alternator. The battery provides just to the start. Then the alternator gives that battery the energy it needs to power your car. If one of the part is not working properly, your car won't start or run correctly. Our expert technicians can perform an electrical system check to ensure everything is working properly. It pinpoints any problems that may occur with your electrical systems. If our technicians find a problem, they will let you know what they can do to fix it. We can curb any problem before it starts so you won't be left stranded with a non-starting vehicle. But try until your vehicle starts, your battery is providing the car's enter electrical current. This includes the current to the ignition and fuel system, which are responsible for creating the combustion necessary for your engine to function. Starter. While the battery supplies the power to start your vehicle, the starter is really what gets the engine going. The battery supplies a small amount of power to starter motor. The starter then rotates the flywheel, which turns the crankshaft and begins the movement of the engine piston. This intricate process is why it's key to make sure the starter works. It's difficult to determine when a starter will fail exactly, but an electrical system check Firestone complete auto care can help recognize the warning signs. We check if the start is drawing the proper amount of current. An excessive current draw will indicate a worn starter, while a low current draw points to corroded cables or connection. Not to worry, this is a problem our expert technicians can fix. At the next, the alternator. When your engine is running, the alternator keeps the battery charged and the electrical system going. Your car can start with a faulty alternator, but it won't be able to run for an extended period of time. If the alternator requires a replacement, your vehicle's electrical system will perform erratically. Its battery will discharge, and eventually your engine will lose power. A complete electrical system check from Firestone Complete Auto Care will tell you whether the alternator is generating the proper amount of current and voltage. That way, you have heads up before your alternator fails. See it in action. So you turn the key and your vehicle's electrical system goes into action. The battery provides juice to the starter. The starter turns and the alternator and accessories. See how it works. A healthy electrical system for a reliable ride. Your car electrical system is important, really important. So is staying informed about its ability to perform. Left unchecked and weak or dead battery can wreak havoc on other electrical system parts like alternators and starters. If your electrical system is showing signs of acting up, don't delay. Bring your car to your local Firestone Complete Auto Care so they can assess the situation, make sure voltage is correct, and prevent further potential damage. You don't want failure to be an option. Either the middle of nowhere is the wrong place to have a weak battery. Don't let. In basic, the electrical system of a car is closed circuit with independent power source, the battery. It operates on a small fraction of the power of household circuit. A typical electrical system, apart from the main charging, starting and ignition circuit, there are other circuits that power lights, electrical motors, the sensor and gauge of electrical instrument, heating elements, magnetically operate locks, the radio, and so on. All circuits are opened and closed either by switch or by relays. Remote switches operate by electromagnets. Current flows along a single cable from the battery to the component being powered and back to the battery through the car's metal body. The body is connected to the earth terminal of the battery by a thick cable. Earth return system. In a negative earth return system, the current flows from the positive terminal to the component being operated. The component is earth to the car body, which is earth to the negative terminal of the battery. This type of circuit is called an earth return system. Any part of it connected to the car body is said to be earth. The strength of the current is measured in amperes. The pressures that drive it around the circuit is called voltage. Modern cars have a 12-volt battery. Its capacity is measured in ampere hours. A 56 ampere hour battery should be able to deliver a current of 1 amperes for 56 hours or 2 amperes for 28 hours. If the battery voltage drops, less current flows, and eventually there is not enough to make a component work. Current, voltage, and resistance, the extent to which a wire resists the flow of current is called resistance and is measured in ohms. Then wires conduct less easily than thick ones because there is less room for the electron to travel through. The energy needed to pass current through a resistance transformed into heat. This can be useful, for example, in the very thin filament of a light bulb, which glows white hot. However, a component with a high current consumption must not be connected using wire which are too thin, or the wires will overheat below a fuse or burn out. All the electrical units of measurement are interlinked. A pressure of 1 volt causes a current of 1 amperes to flow through a resistance of 1 ohms.